We now know that environmental factors and our surroundings have important effects on public health and health inequalities. To understand the new challenges this poses, we must start from a broad conception of health. In this line, the concept of planetary health involves achieving the maximum level of health, well-being and equity throughout the world, respecting the limits of the Earth's natural systems through integrating the various human systems, political, economic, environmental and social, ultimately enabling humanity and life to flourish on our planet. It is therefore necessary to underline the importance of environmental determinants and their interaction with health. We know that these determinants not only affect people's health, but they do so unequally among the population, depending on sex, age, social class, ethnicity, territory, functional capacity, and sexual orientation, among others. The current study of the exposome enables us to find out about the influence of the environment on people's health and well-being. The exposome is the set of internal and external environmental factors to which a person is exposed throughout their life, starting from conception. It includes a wide variety of factors such as the chemicals present in the environment, solar radiation, noise, smoking, and other environmental toxins, the microbiota and so on, as well as the psychological and social aspects of everyday life, such as work, physical and mental activity, stress, and interpersonal relationships. We now know that all these exposure factors generate an impact on human health via different exposure routes. The main one is the air we breathe in both indoor and outdoor spaces, what we eat, and what we absorb through the skin via contact with hygiene, personal care products, detergent, clothes, and other consumer products. Likewise, the work context can also be an environmental exposure. These factors produce changes in molecular profiles which can cause adverse health effects. Furthermore, exposure to these factors can affect people differently depending on age, gender, socioeconomic status, lifestyle, diet, and environmental conditions, among others. An example of this is endocrine disruptors, which are chemical substances capable of mimicking hormones and, in pregnant women, crossing the placenta and being present in breast milk, thereby exposing fetuses and nursing babies to these disruptors. Human biomonitoring, by means of collecting samples of human fluids such as blood, urine, sweat and feces, for example, make it possible to identify biomarkers and understand their effects on health. It therefore becomes imperative to advance knowledge of the exposome, since it can help prevent diseases and improve public health. Nowadays, new technologies and accumulated evidence offer us opportunities for analysis to better understand the link between exposure to environmental factors and human health. Our framework of action here at the Observatory is based on interdisciplinarity, sustainability and interdependence, generating information and knowledge at the service of citizens, and public policies to understand the reality and address the new challenges of the future by incorporating the new knowledge for the common good. In short, Dipsalut wants to contribute in its area of responsibility of public health by creating a biobank of biological samples of the people who make up the Girostudi digital cohort. A biobank is a platform for managing human biological samples and associated data, and a research resource that facilitates new scientific discoveries to advance the understanding of exposure-response relationships by combining health information with the results of biovigilance to improve public health.